Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to perform left and right mouse button clicks without pressing the actual button in Windows PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Clickless Mouse by Proper Code, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. So firstly, kindly note the various options as shown here. You can use the chart later on to know what are the various options, which I'm gonna show after a few seconds after using this application. Now on the above you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see two files. One is with clickless mouse installer.exe and one is a clickless mouse portable.zip. So you can download either one of this. So I'm gonna download the portable version. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Just open the extracted folder. I will see here the first file is the application. Just double click on it. Now you will see this kind of various options inside this application. So on the above you will see here, just under the main settings here, you can see LMB click. So it's a left mouse button click, and RMB stands for right mouse button click. So these are single clicks, and if you need a double click, then LMB, that is the left mouse button double click, and left mouse button holding. So for holding, tap and holding is this one, and right mouse button holding and the screen panning. And below you will see here some more options which you can check out by yourself. And say, let us firstly try the single left mouse button click. So what you will do, just select this option. Now say I want to minimize this window. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just place the mouse cursor on this minimize or minus icon, and now just drag your mouse cursor to this square. Now you can see. So now let us perform a right mouse button click. Once you see the square, just drag your mouse cursor to the square, then it will perform a right mouse button click. So now if you enable all these options, let us check what really happens. Now you can see a tons of square icon appearing. So I have shown you the chart earlier what all those square indicates, so you can check out their official website regarding this. So using this application you can easily perform left and right mouse button clicks without pressing the actual button in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.